Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to create an AI-generated video from ChatGPT text. Let's get started. First step is going to open AI and literally go ahead signing up and creating an account for free. If you don't have an account or don't know how to create, please check out a video description box. I have provided a video link. After signing into the account, search for the topic you want to convert to video. Now the ChatGPT started to providing an entire script for our topic. Now we have to copy the entire script, which we have in collect from ChatGPT. Second step, open elaiio. You can use the link provided in the description below. If you don't have an Elai account or don't know how to create one, you can watch my previous video about Elai. The link is also in the description. From the Elai home screen, click on Generate from URL and paste the script what you have in collect from ChatGPT. Step 3. Choose your video template and click on the Create Video button. Wait for the video generation process to complete. Step 4. Once your video template is ready, you can either render it or customize the design. You can edit or remove video parts, change the position or background, avatar or avatar style, and voiceover style. You can also use stock videos and images for your video components or background. To set an image or video as a background, simply add the item to the design and click on Apply as Background. For video background, you can add music to your video from the stock audio provided by the website. After everything is set up, click on the Render button to start rendering your video. It may take several minutes to complete. Once the rendering process is finished, you will receive an email with a download link. Open the email and download your video. Here's the video result from this tutorial. Losing weight is a process that requires consistent effort and dedication. Here are some tips to help you lose weight. Balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools tutorials and info. Stay tuned.